Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them.
Welcome to the world of entrepreneurship, where today's focus is on the Employee Identification Number, or EIN. As you delve into the intricacies of running a business, you'll find that the EIN is a critical piece of the puzzle. So, what exactly is an EIN? In essence, it's a unique 9-digit number assigned to businesses for tax purposes. Think of it as the Social Security number for your business, providing a unique identity in the eyes of the Internal Revenue Service. It's a must-have for any business, whether you're a one-person operation or a multinational corporation. From opening a bank account in your business's name to filing your tax returns, an EIN is integral to maintaining your business's financial identity. So, as we embark on this entrepreneurial journey together, remember this: understanding the EIN is the first step towards maintaining your business's financial identity. Now, you may wonder why an EIN is so crucial to your business. The importance of an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, extends far beyond just a requirement on paper. It's like a social security number for your business, essential for different aspects of your business operation. Firstly, it's your ticket to opening a business bank account. Banks typically require an EIN to set up a business account. This allows you to separate personal finances from your business, which is crucial for financial clarity and better management of your business's cash flow. Secondly, when it comes to filing tax returns, an EIN is indispensable. It's the number the IRS uses to identify your business for tax purposes. Whether you're filing annual income tax, employment tax, or excise tax returns, you'll need your EIN. It simplifies tax administration and ensures your business is compliant with tax laws. Additionally, if you plan to hire employees, an EIN is a requirement. It's used in reporting taxes and other documents to the IRS, as well as reporting information about your employees to state agencies. You'll use your EIN when you're withholding taxes on income, other than wages, paid to a non-resident alien. An EIN also helps maintain your corporate veil. By using an EIN instead of your personal Social Security number, you can keep your personal and business identities separate. This can protect your personal assets in case of a lawsuit or business debt. Lastly, an EIN adds credibility to your business. Customers, vendors, and other stakeholders often perceive businesses with an EIN as more professional and established. It sends a message that your business is not a hobby, but a serious endeavor that is here to stay. As we see, having an EIN is not just about compliance, but also about establishing your business's credibility. With an EIN, you're not just a business on paper, but a business ready to operate, grow, and thrive in the marketplace. But who exactly is eligible to get an EIN? Well, the good news is, it's not as restrictive as you might think. The most fundamental requirement is having a business that is located within the United States. But don't worry if you're not physically situated stateside. The EIN is not exclusive to U.S. businesses alone. It is also available to foreign entities. That's right. If you're an overseas entrepreneur planning to do business with the U.S., you're not left out in the cold. You can indeed secure an EIN for your business. The Internal Revenue Service, or the IRS, has made provisions for international applicants, ensuring that the world of American business is open and accessible to all, regardless of geographical location. So, it doesn't matter if your business is nestled in the heart of New York or nestled in the heart of New Delhi. So whether you're based in the US or overseas, you can get an EIN for your business. Let's move on to the process of obtaining an EIN. Now, the beauty of this process is its simplicity. It's all online, and best of all, it's absolutely free. Yes, you heard that right. No charges, no fees, just a straightforward process designed to help you get your business up and running. Step 1. Navigate your way to the IRS website. Once there, look for the EIN Assistant option. This is your gateway to getting that all-important 9-digit number for your business. Step 2. Determine your eligibility. The system will ask you a few questions to ensure you're eligible. The main requirement is that your business must be based in the US or the US territories. Step 3. Understand your role. You're considered the responsible party in this process. That means you're the person who owns or controls the entity, or who exercises ultimate effective control over the entity. In other words, you're the boss. Step 4. Choose your business structure. Are you a sole proprietor, a partnership, a corporation? The system will guide you through the options. Choose the one that best fits your business. Step 5. Provide the necessary details. The system will ask you for some basic information about your business, like its name and location, as well as the reason you're applying for an EIN. Step 6. Submit your application. Once you've filled in all the required information, you can submit your application. The system will validate your information in real time, and voila! If everything checks out, you'll receive your EIN immediately. You can then download, save, and print your confirmation notice. Just like that, you've taken a significant step in legitimizing your business. Remember, applying for an EIN is a crucial step in setting up your business. It's not just about getting a number, it's about paving the way for your business's future. It's about making sure your business is compliant with IRS requirements, and it's about opening doors to potential growth and expansion. It's essential to keep in mind that once an EIN is assigned to a business entity, it becomes the permanent federal taxpayer identification number for that entity. Regardless of whether the EIN is ever used to file federal tax returns, the EIN is never reused or reassigned to another business entity. Also, beware of scam sites that charge you for this service. The IRS does not charge to assign an EIN, and the process is entirely free through their website. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward process to get your EIN. Remember, this is your business we're talking about. It's worth every bit of effort you put into it. So, go ahead, take that step, apply for your EIN, and let your business journey begin. Before we wrap up, let's quickly revisit the key points discussed today. First off, we delved into what an EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is. This 9-digit number is issued by the IRS to identify a business entity. Think of it as the Social Security number for your business. It's a unique identifier that separates your business from every other entity in the United States. We then explored the importance of an EIN. It's not just a number. It's a critical component in the establishment and operation of your business. It's necessary for opening a business bank account, filing your business tax returns, and applying for business licenses. It's essentially your business's financial identity, a key to unlock various financial and legal doors. Next, we discussed who is eligible for an EIN. Essentially, if you operate a business or are in the process of starting one, you are eligible. This includes sole proprietors, corporations, partnerships, nonprofit organizations, trusts, and estates. Even if you don't have employees, if you're a sole proprietor, you might still want an EIN for the added identity protection it provides. And finally, we walked through the steps to apply for an EIN. It's a free process that can be done online through the IRS website. You just need some basic information about your business and yourself. Once you submit the application, you'll receive your EIN immediately. Remember, you don't need to pay anyone to get an EIN for you. The process is straightforward, and the IRS provides this service for free. So, there you have it. That's the rundown on EINs. It's a simple concept, but it carries a lot of weight. It's one of those things that you might not think about often, but when you do need it, it's invaluable. Remember, an EIN is more than just a number. It's your business's financial identity. And that brings us to the end of our discussion on EIN. We've journeyed through what an EIN is, its significance, eligibility, and the steps to acquire it. If you are an emerging entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner who hasn't secured an EIN yet, remember, it's never too late to start. The process is free, uncomplicated, and can be completed in a relatively short amount of time. Having an EIN is not just a legal requirement, but it also opens a world of opportunities for your business. It's the key to establishing your company's identity, securing loans, applying for business permits, and so much more. So, don't delay. Take that first step towards procuring your EIN today. Remember, every great venture begins with a single step, and this could be that pivotal step for you. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to your entrepreneurial journey.